Alright, so here's another Gmail tip. Super simple, super quick, super easy, super helpful. And many of you maybe have already been doing these things already, and you already know this, but it's just a good reminder in case you're new to this, or maybe you need to go back and revisit. So in your Gmail inbox, we're going to go up here to this gear icon in the upper right hand corner. It's going to take you to your settings icon. So when we go in there, there's so many things that we're going to continue to explore. But the most important one that I always work with, no matter who I'm working with, when I was an educator or instructional coach, or now here at the AEA, is this option right here. At the time of this recording, it's the fourth option down. It's called this undo send option right here. And what you're going to see is it says send cancellation period. And you're going to see a variation from 5 to 30 seconds. I always encourage people to move this to 30 seconds. What this is going to allow you to do is, say you write an email, and we've all had moments where we've hit send on an email and we've instantly regretted it. We wish we could pull it back. Maybe we wrote an email, we were a little too angry, we didn't take the break. Maybe we caught a grammar mistake. Maybe we realized we sent it to the wrong email, the wrong person, things like that. This gives you 30 seconds. It kind of holds your email that you can pull it back, make the changes, fix what you need to before hitting send and sending it out again. So it gives you a little grace period. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but this is a little setting that will save you a ton of headache down the road by sending an unintentional email in your thing. So once you move this to 30 seconds, you just want to go down and you're going to want to save your changes. All right, so what this looks like then, if I go here, so now when I'm in my email, when I go to compose a new email, how this works is if I go ahead and I'll just send one to myself here. All right, and I'm typing whatever it is that I'm doing. I have my email all ready to go here, as you can see. And now when I go ahead and hit send, you're going to notice this little buffer. And this buffer is going to allow you to pull that email back. It's down here now. It's behind me. And we got all the way. There we are. I can undo the message, or I could view the message. So I can click this and it'll show me. I could take a look at that and I could fix it, test it, whatever I needed to do. Or I could do that undo option and it would allow me to go back and edit. So if we do that again, all right, there's that option again. Get my ugly mug out of the way here. I can click this undo. It's undone, and now here I am back with this email. I could fix it, and then you can also notice, see up here, it put it back in draft mode. So I can see that it hasn't actually gotten live. I can make those changes and then get it going that way. So just a little tip, the undo will save you potential future headache by having the opportunity to pull back an email for at least 30 seconds with that maximum setting. All right, my friends, stay awesome. Peace.